how to fade an image in Figma. To do this, we have to first create a rectangle, and I want to go up here to the top menu bar and click on this rectangle tool, and now I can just drag it out onto the screen like that. And now I want to give this a different fill color. I just go to the right hand side here where it says fill. And I want to drag this all the way down to black. And now I click on gradient right next to the solid color. And I want to make the other end of the gradient all the way to the white, like that. And I want to drop the opacity of the white to 0, like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we want to tilt this gradient to 90 degrees, something like this. And now I can copy and paste it by pressing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V on my keyboard. And I want to make sure I've selected the top rectangle here. And now I go back to fill, but this time I choose image, which is the third option here. And I can just choose an image from my files. I'm just going to go with this one, which I've prepared here, like that. And now I can select both of them. As you can see here, they're both selected. And now I want to right click and I want to go to use this mask. You can also press Ctrl+Alt+M on your keyboard. And as you can see, it faded the image. Now I can go back to the rectangle underneath and I can change the position of the gradient if I want to adjust the photo like this. And that's how you fade an image in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.